Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix you edit your profile too many times today, try again later. So guys, when you want to edit your profile or want to change your username or name on your TikTok account and facing this issue on your TikTok account, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys after going to back you have to open your TikTok app, and guys click on your main profile icon, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, and guys after this simply you have to scroll it below. Here is the option of free up space, you have to click on this tab, and guys simply you have to clear cache and clear downloads. And guys after this you have to go back. So guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then simply you have to open your settings, and in settings you have to open general tab, open iPhone storage, find here TikTok. So guys, if you have remember your TikTok login, simply you have to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again and log in again your TikTok account. And guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys after doing these two methods, if still not fix your problem, then guys you have to wait for 1 day, and after 24 hours when you change your profile, then guys you will be able to change your profile easily. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.